Welcome to the fascinating world of outboard motor titles, where we'll explore the evolution of regulations that balance recreational boating needs with social responsibility. As we delve into the history of outboard motors, you might wonder what could possibly connect these powerful engines to the delicate French dessert, macarons. However, our journey takes us on a fascinating path through the world of boating and marine engineering. The rise of recreational boating in the mid-20th century led to an increased demand for reliable and affordable propulsion systems, making outboard motors a staple on lakes, rivers, and coastal areas worldwide. However, as their popularity grew, concerns about safety, noise pollution, and environmental impact also arose. This article will explore the key milestones in the development of outboard motor titles, including the significant year that marked a turning point in their regulation. We'll examine how these regulations have evolved to prioritize public safety, environmental protection, and fair trade practices. The use of outboard motors dates back to the early 20th century, but it wasn't until the 1960s that governments began implementing regulations on their sale, registration, and usage. One pivotal moment came when countries worldwide started issuing titles for these engines in insert year. These early regulations aimed to address issues such as noise pollution, which became a significant concern due to the increasing popularity of outboard motors. In recent decades, advances in technology have led to significant improvements in outboard motor efficiency, reliability, and fuel economy. As consumers demand better performance and lower emissions, manufacturers have responded by developing more sustainable engines that minimize environmental impact. Modern regulations also focus on implementing stricter safety standards to combat theft and unauthorized use, making registration and title verification a mandatory requirement. Looking forward, several factors will shape the future of outboard motor titles and regulations. The growing focus on sustainable propulsion systems, including electric and hybrid engines, is expected to continue, with regulatory bodies introducing even stricter standards for new engine designs. Additionally, the increasing importance of digital documentation and online verification systems may streamline registration processes and improve title management. The development of outboard motor titles reflects a broader effort to balance recreational boating needs with social responsibility. As we move forward, regulatory bodies will continue to address emerging concerns about noise pollution, environmental impact, and safety standards. By embracing these changes, boat owners and enthusiasts can ensure that outboard motors remain a convenient and accessible means of transportation for generations to come. The history of outboard motor titles is marked by key milestones, including the introduction of early regulations on noise pollution and mandatory safety inspections. Modern advancements focus on sustainable propulsion systems, digital documentation, and stricter emissions controls. Outboard motor titles play a crucial role in promoting responsible boating practices by ensuring proper registration and title verification, which prevents unauthorized use and promotes a culture of safety and environmental stewardship among boat owners. By understanding the evolution of outboard motor titles, we can appreciate the efforts made to balance recreational boating needs with social responsibility. As technology continues to advance, regulatory bodies will adapt to emerging concerns about noise pollution, environmental impact, and safety standards, ensuring that outboard motors remain a convenient and accessible means of transportation for generations to come. The references provided offer valuable insights into the history and regulation of outboard motors, including research on emissions and propulsion systems. By exploring these resources, enthusiasts can gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationship between outboard motor titles and social responsibility. Also, if you are looking for outboard engines boats, I have them all available on my website now. Please check the link in the description.